Hello guys, here we have a Electrolux SteamBoost COB8S39WZ, and today I will show you how you can start cooking wirelessly from your smartphone. So in the first step, open your Electrolux app. As you can see, there we have our oven and how to pair your device with a smartphone you will find on other device. Just tap on it. Now you can select the cooking assistance. Oh, sorry, it's on device, so never mind. You can choose the function, the temperature, the timer, food sensor, activity, and if you want to switch on or off the light, you can do it also from app. Magic. If you want to set the delay, click here and choose the delay. Okay, we have to choose the time when the oven will start. Click on the set to apply it, and now just tap on that turn on. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.